Saturation makes everything sound warm and alive. Most modern vocal mixes have a little or more saturation in them. Now I'm going to play this vocal mix, right? I'm going to turn off the saturation. Although this is a fast distortion plugin, that's Fruity Fast Distortion plugin. But when you add just a little bit of it, it acts as a saturation plugin. That's what I'm going to show you how. But let's listen to the vocal without saturation.
See, gone are the days where they don't know me, where they don't send me, yeah. See me now, now me the ball, oh, me the ball, oh. Gone are the days where they don't send me, where they don't know me, yeah. See me now, now me the ball, oh, me the ball, oh. I saw my wrist still like got some. Now I'm
All right, now, so I'm going to add a little bit of saturation, right? I'm going to turn this on.
gone are the days where they don't know me, where they don't send me, yeah.
Now you see how fuzzy that sound. We don't want that kind of sound. We want something that is just warms up the vocal and makes it sound more alive, right? So I'm going to take down the threshold, take down this pre-gain as well. Then this mix knob tells the saturation, how the distortion plugin, how much of it do you want in it, hence the name mix. So we just want a little, right? So we'll come halfway and listen.
See, gone are the days where they don't know me, where they don't send me, yeah. See me now, now me the ball, oh, me the ball, oh. Gone are the days where they don't send me, where they don't know me, yeah. See me now, now me the ball, oh, me the. See, gone are the days where they don't know me, where they don't send me, yeah. See me now me the ball, oh, me the ball, oh. Gone are the days where they don't send me.
All right, so let me turn it off and see how it sounds.
See, gone are the days where they don't know me, where they don't send me, yeah. See me now me the ball, oh, me the ball, oh. Gone are the days where they don't send me, where they don't know me, yeah.
And now this is how it sounds.
See, gone are the days where they don't know me, where they don't send me, yeah. See me now me the ball, oh, me the ball, oh. Gone are the days where they don't send me, where they don't know me, yeah.
So you can see how the saturation plugin now just makes the vocal more upfront and more alive and warm without sounding too fuzzy or sounding gritty. Unless if that is the effect you want to go for, you can go for that, but I just want the vocal to be more warm and alive. So if you've been struggling with getting pro mixes, making better beats, recording vocals, I do offer one-on-one training. Yes, one-on-one training. And all you have to do is click the link in the description below that says one-on-one training. You fill a very simple form so I can help understand you better and what you need and how I can help you get there. So when you fill this form, I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible and we can get started on your journey to making much better music in no time. Trust me, it doesn't have to be a hassle. Making music doesn't have to be a hassle. You don't have to spend many endless hours on YouTube looking for tutorials. With just a very short time, within about 4 to 6 weeks, roughly within that range, I can get you to your goals in no time. Yes, with money back guaranteed. So don't forget to click the link in the description after you're done with this video to fill up a form, and I'm going to get back to you pronto.